How's it going? Today we're going to take a look at the Performance Tool 3/4 inch thick 60-foot roll of electrical tape. Now electrical tape is going to work for a lot of general use purposes, but it is designed to work for putting together wire connections. Now as far as electrical tape, a lot of people already have a lot of different schools of thought. Some people feel that you should not cut it, you should pull it. Some people think that you should not put tension, but the real key is either way, you definitely want to make sure you keep it sealed and you overlap it, but you don't want to pull it like that. You always want to try to make sure you have a nice smooth edge, regardless of how you decide to wrap. Now, I'm going to give myself a nice end here, and I'll make a connection here to this Optronics light that I have here. So I'm gonna get this guy together. You can already see right here on the white, I'm just gonna wrap this around where it overlaps, and we'll get a little bit of a twist on there. Get a little tension on there just to keep it nice and dry and tight. I'm just gonna keep pulling, slight tension, and wrap. And then on the very end, I'm not gonna pull it, I'm just gonna cut it and then wrap it around. And there we are. And we can do the exact same thing with my hot here. And you can see that we have a live battery. And boom, got a solid connection. We'll do this one more time. I'll just cut my piece right off. Now, stuff like this, it comes in handy just to have around. Now, I know that as far as keeping it in different temperatures, sometimes these guys can break loose, and that's something that you definitely want to watch out for as far as how you're using it. But just keep in mind that with electrical tape, it's kind of like finding the best shoestring. It's one of those things you don't think about you need until you need it. So it's not a bad idea, especially if you're doing anything with wiring, to add this guy on. Also, if you're just right underneath free shipping, it's a real easy thing to add to your order, and you definitely will use it. So this has just been a quick look at the Performance Tools electrical tape that is 3/4 inches thick and 60 foot long. Have a great day.